Yeah, let's just fucking thread it on so when you fucking reverse this, it just comes right off, dude.
Yeah, I don't know what they were thinking with that thing.
Oh, she's watering now, boy.
Yeah, she is. You skirt. Except for when that jank shit happens. That thing's so hoopty.
Yeah, let's just fucking thread it on so when you fucking reverse this, it just comes right off, dude.
Yeah, I don't know what they were thinking with that thing.
She's about to be out, yeah.
Yeah, you're about to be laying down on it.
Laying frame, I guess.
Yeah, dude, definitely banging frame.
I'm gonna go a little lower.
I'll put some more angle in the finagle first.
I mean, well, once we lower this, that'll go down a little bit.
You still need another 3 inches.
Alright, push.
Pushing.
And lower, like, well, you have to push forward first before you can lower it.
I don't know, keep moving forward.
Push. Good. Keep pushing. Alright, can you lower it at all?
Oh, yeah.
Well, she's down back there. If you can push forward more.
Pushing.
Keep pushing.
Can't push no more. Car's in the way. We are fully pushed.
The transmission's about to be like on the ground.
Probably.
Take a quick gander.
Eh, you've got a little bit of room. Maybe an inch or two.
Well, let's do it like that.
It is so close on that one too. That is the closest I've ever seen it. They're both like perfectly lined up. Let me check it up.
When you can try.
Ready?
Yeah. One
More?
more. Just pushing it back. That one's in.
The left one?
Yeah.
How far off is that one?
A little bit. It's so fucking close, dude. Look how fucking close that
Holy shit!
fucking cunt is. It's in.
It's in?
Yeah.
There's an LS in your 240?
Yeah.
Is there actually an LS in your 240?
I believe so.
You believe so? Don't look at it.
No.
No?
It top.
Are you fucking kidding me? You're doing a lot. You're doing a goof right now.
No.
You're doing a meme? No meme.
No. Honestly.
You're not doing a meme?
That one was in and it fucking popped it out.
Oh my god, you're not doing a meme. No, it's in.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it is?
Yes. Lower this bitch. Lower this thing, dude.
Don't fucking touch it.
Bruh! Bruh! He's inside, dude. He's done. He's over it. It's in. Holy, what a nightmare. Oh my God. What a nightmare, dude. Yes, dude. Holy.
72 hours later.
How's it feel to have an LS in your 240?
If everything else lines up good, but I don't think it will, so.
Well, that's probably the case.
That was a fucking nightmare.
Yes, it was. That was the definition of a fucking nightmare. So there we go. There is the LS finally in the 240. It was a little bit of a struggle, but we did get it done. As always, I'd like to thank each and every single one of you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe for more mediocre content, just like you saw, please go ahead and do. And always, take care.